KG1C kids. Today in math, we're going to be talking more about measurement. Now, you might remember a couple days ago, we were talking about size. Size is when we use words like bigger and smaller. Now, today we're going to be talking about length. And to help me, here's my example for bigger and smaller. Just a minute. This ball is bigger. This ball is smaller, right? That's when we use bigger or smaller. Let me set these out of the way. Sometimes, and I have a couple little friends to help me, I brought my snake friends. Today I have 3, bluey, yellowy, and orangey. They're my snake friends. And I'm going to make sure I'll fix the camera if you can't see them. They're going to help me talk about length because sometimes, here, let's see if we can, just a minute, and let me just fix the light. Thank you for being so patient. Let's try this out. Okay, that's better. Can you see me? Well, I'll be like this if I need to, okay? So sometimes kids say to me, oh, Bluey's bigger than orangey. And I say, well, we're talking about length. So Bluey is longer. Bluey is longer. Orangey is shorter. So, let me hold this up to the camera so you can see. Length talks about how long something is from end to end. Not just animals, we'll look at some other examples too. And we're going to be using words. Lahahike. Here I come again to the camera. We're going to be using words like short. There's a crayon, you know that. And long, a Snelling marker, because it's longer than a crayon. And also the words shorter and longer. These ones I think we probably use very much because if I put a marker, I'm trying to see if I have, here's a smelly marker. If I put a marker, this blue marker, and I put it next to Bluey the snake, well, this marker is not longer than Bluey the snake. This marker is shorter and Bluey the snake is longer. So when we use longer and shorter, it depends, just like bigger and smaller, what we're next to. So let's look again at our snakes are going to be helping us a lot. So there's 3 of them, as I told you. Do you remember this one's name? Yellowy, you're right. And orangey. And what's this one? Bluey, you're right. So Bluey's the longest. I'm going to put them in order from longest to shortest. And what's really important when we do this is that we have the same starting point. So I'm going to have right at the tip of their nose, not their tongue, but their nose, right at the same line. And I will get something if we need, I know, let's use this stick. This stick is, I'm going to measure so that they all have their nose at the same part of the line. Okay, They have the same starting spot. And now we can look at their tails. That helps us see that Bluey is the longest and Orangey is the shortest. So it goes longest to shortest. If I wanted to do shortest to longest, I'd do a switchy switchy. And here we are. Shortest to longest. All right, I'm going to put our snakes away for a little bit. But whenever kids talk, when we talk about length, sometimes they forget and they say, oh, well, my hair's bigger than your hair. And they mean my hair is longer than your hair. Or they will say, oh, actually, let's just look at another example. So we'll remember that snakes go with length. And I'm sorry, my phone, it's a message from Miss Nicole. You know Miss Nicole that teaches KG1B. She's also my Dubai best friend. You know that, her and Miss Betsy. And I'm going to slide it over there and I can talk to her when we are done. I found some socks of mine. Whoa, this is a soccer sock. That's a long one. Which sock is longer, black or pink? Yes, the black one is longer and the pink one is shorter. What about this little blue one? Is this one the longest? Bluey says, no. Thank you, Bluey. This one is the shortest, isn't it? What about, oh my goodness, mustachios. This might be a little difficult to see. Let's try. Oh. Maybe I'll hold these. I know. Let's try this. Just a minute. If I hold this right here. Let's see if I can do this. There's one mustache. We'll do two. And I'm sorry, I was doing the mustache, or I was doing things this way when we were comparing length. Which one is longer? The one on the top or the bottom? Remember, longer means long this way. Is this one longer? This one is longer. And I'm sorry, that's a little difficult to see from this angle. Good job, guys. Now, for our last one, oh my gosh, should we do animals? We have two more, and then you're going to have some practice. Oh, we have a friend. This is one of my doggy friends. He is so soft, and he has a long tail. My goodness, he looks like a monkey.
I'm not a monkey, silly Miss Heather.
Well, you do have a long tail. Let's see. Now, I'm going to put all the animals' head that we are going to have the same starting point. So I put your nose right there, and here's our dolphin, and the nose right there. Which one is longer? Our dog. Oh my gosh, look, dog, dolphin. Same beginning sound. Which one is longer? The dog or the dolphin? You're right, the dog is longer, the dolphin is shorter. It's because of this tail. Now, hey guys, have you met Wasabi Monkey?
I think they met me.
I think you guys met Wasabi Monkey. If you haven't, Wasabi Monkey
I fly around the room at night.
Flies around the room at night. One of our magic pets in our classroom. And I'm going to put Wasabi's head right here so we can compare. Oh, wait a minute. Let's scoot him back so you can see better. I'm sorry, it's a bit hard to videotape this way. I'm trying, just a minute. What I'm realizing is it's hard to tell the difference between these two. We know that our doggie's the longest. Now these two, I should have picked a different animal.
I'm the same length as the dolphin.
It is true. Just a minute, I have the perfect animal. Oh, this animal, this is the biggest animal you ever saw. The biggest monkey in the world, the longest monkey in the world.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Wait a minute. Is this the longest monkey in the world?
I'm a monkey and look at my baby on my back.
That's pretty cute, huh? Let's put this monkey next to our animals and see. Okay. This is a little easier to see. Who is the shortest? Dolphin?
No.
Dog?
No, silly Miss Dryden. Miss Heather?
My last name's Dryden, and that's what kids in my last school used to call me. Or they had to call me that. I like Miss Heather better.
I am the shortest. La 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 la.
Actually,
My baby is the shortest.
wait a minute, look at the baby. That's very true. So smart, monkey, so smart. All right. Now, you're going to have some practice, and the practice might seem a little easy. You're going to be having a paper on Seesaw where you circle the longest, circle the shortest. Now, things will get a little more challenging. Not scary hard, but today might feel easy. Things will get more challenging. And if you want to practice harder things or practice more, you can always go on IXL. Oh, you guys wanted to say something?
Thanks for letting us,
Oh, that was Orangey's voice. Because Orangey is the shortest.
Thanks for letting us play with you guys. I'm a snake.
We know that, silly. Bluey, do you have anything to say?
Blue is my favorite color.
Oh, great, Bluey. Okay, thank you. A lot of kids like blue. Do you have anything to say, Yellowy?
What should I say, Miss Heather?
I don't know. You could say anything you want.
Bye, kids. We love you. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.